Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited today. I have a new box for the channel and it is Vino. I think it is the perfect fit, so let's get in here and I'll tell you all about it. Alright, I had to set that one down. It's a little heavy, a little heavier than makeup. Vino reached out and asked if I would like to receive this box for review, and I looked into it and said, absolutely. I think this is the perfect fit because it's not just wine, it's a lifestyle box. It is 5 to 6 lifestyle products and 2 bottles of wine for $59.99 a month. But wait, it gets better. They have given me a fantastic code for you guys where if you sign up, and I'll put the link below and my code Kathrin, if you sign up using my link and my code, you will, for the lifetime of your subscription, get 3 bottles of wine in every box, a 3rd bottle of wine in every box. That was just such a great deal and such a great discount code that I really wanted to get in here and see what this is all about. We're just gonna cut right into this. I love new subscription boxes. I love that this is a lifestyle box, but there's wine involved. See, you guys don't know that about me yet. I like wine. This box comes out quarterly and you'll get 5 to 6 lifestyle products and the wine. So to make this easier, I have just taken everything out of the box. So we have this box, which is what our lifestyle products are in. And then we have our 3 bottles of wine, which were amazingly protected in this. It's like an egg carton for protection, but only better because there was wine inside. So I'm gonna open up the lifestyle box because I'm thinking there's probably information in here, and then I will tell you a little bit about the wines and we will come back to this. So when I open it up, that is what it looks like on the inside. So chock full of fun stuff, and yes, there is paperwork. And while I'm getting this out, let me tell you that it is $59.99 a quarter, but this has $148 or more value in it. That is fantastic. They say the wine is $21 to $26 a bottle, so your wine alone covers the cost of your subscription. Since this is new, let's look at these cards and see what they tell us. So this first card tells us that Vino wine selection includes 2 of our premium custom wines, either sweets, whites, reds, or a mix of white and red. We've added new varietals to our selection and we'll be adding more soon. Let us know what you think by reviewing your wines on vino.com. So you can choose whites, sweets, or reds. And like I said, if you sign up now, you will get your 2 bottles of wine plus a 3rd bottle for the life of your subscription. I love the idea of being able to pick whether you want whites, reds, sweets. Like, I know my mom would pick sweets, so she and my dad love sweet wine, so I just know that's what she would pick. Also, speaking of my mom, another beauty of the subscription is the box doesn't have to come to your address each quarter. So like if I got it this time, but like in 3 months I wanted it to go to my mom and dad as a gift for the holidays or whomever, I could just go in and put her name as the address to be delivered to. So once you've subscribed, you can send it as a gift because I think this would make a great gift. Okay, you guys are learning a lot about me and my love of wine today. The next card tells us what we're gonna find in this box, and then each of the following cards spends a little time telling us about what's in the lifestyle box. So we will use these in just a minute. But first, let's go over the wines. The first wine that I have, and like I said, these were in such great packaging. They all arrived perfection. It is the New Crush California Pinot Grigio. And it's a 2018 Pinot Grigio. If you don't know wine, this is one of the ones that it's really light and refreshing. It would be great with fish. I love this with Chinese. This is also one that you can just sit around and drink. Yes, you can sit around and drink every wine. I personally don't love to sit around and drink every wine. There are some that I do like more than others to have without food. This is one of them. This aromatic and complex Pinot Grigio presents aromas of white peaches and white flowers, sea spray, oyster shell, and flavors ranging from cassava melon to citrus zest with a hint of creme fraiche at the finish. Doesn't that sound delicious? Our next wine would be a red, and that is from Speechless. And we have talked about this in the past. I have said when talking about makeup, you can win me over with great packaging because it goes back to my wine. You know, you can win me over with great label art, and I love how modern and cool that looks. This says about the Cabernet Sauvignon, aromas of toasted oak, jam, and tea leaves lead to flavors of rich, dark fruits with firm tannins. Cabernet Sauvignon, to my way of thinking, and I'm sure that there are people that just sit around and drink it and live their lives. I really like this with food. I want to be having a steak or a really good burger. It's also great with dark chocolate. Cabernet Sauvignon and dark chocolate, if you haven't tried it, highly recommend. Our third and final bottle of wine this quarter is the Speechless 2018 California Chardonnay. And it's the same label art, but it is a Chardonnay, which this is another one, just like I said about the Pinot Grigio, this is another one that is just great for just sitting around and drinking. Chardonnays can be more buttery flavored and they're good. You will see as I do this box that I really like the whites. I think more of whites as just sitting around and drinking, and reds more for eating with my meals. I will tell you, I am the only one in the family that feels that way. Everyone else in my family probably prefers the reds. I like the whites. This says that the Speechless Chardonnay delivers aromas of golden delicious apples, Meyer lemon zest, and pineapple with hints of vanilla, creme brulee, brioche, and honey. Flavors range from peach to starfruit and sweet cream butter with a rich mid-palate texture and a bright finish of grapefruit and green apples. All right, so that is it for this month's wine. So let's dig into these lifestyle products and see what they do for lifestyle products. Don't you just love a new box and seeing what they're made of? Reaching in, right on top, I have a Seeds du Soleil dark chocolate covered sunflower seeds. Well, I will just say right here, this and this. It's a very nice snack. That is what they look like. Now we have a card over here, so let's find the card and I'll tell you a little bit about it. And the paperwork says, Sunflower Food Company Dark Chocolate Sunny Seeds. Indulge your sweet tooth with these dark chocolate covered sunflower seeds. A great source of protein and vitamin B, these sunflower seeds are great to eat alone or to use as a topping on yogurt, pancakes, ice cream. $4 value. Yum. I just want to say yum. This box is speaking so much to me. They actually say that this box is curated to help women relax, rewind, and recharge. And I have to tell you, even just knowing that I have this wine and chocolates coming my way in a little bit, I already feel kind of relaxed. Reaching in next, I have a Daily Concepts Daily Headband. Those of you who watch the channel know I love Daily Concepts. I'm not going to say hundreds of their products. I have tens of their products. I love this so much. I have actually owned this in pink, but I'm cutting into this one. We're going to see what it looks like in the blue because I love the Daily Concepts, and I will be using both my pink one and my blue one. Actually, this one matches my bathrobe almost perfectly. I love that. Just put your little hair up in your headband, take your little bottle of wine, take your little chocolates, head off to the bath. I mean, we're getting there. We are relaxing and rewinding. And that has a $12 value. Reaching in next, ooh, we have, I'm gonna assume a bracelet? Yes, a bracelet. Let me take it out of the bag. This is so pretty. I hope you guys can tell. This is kind of like a dark olivey green sweater. So this kind of matches it. It's just a pretty bracelet. And it has a tag on it that says beautiful on that side. And then the back kind of just looks kind of like a sunburst. Let's see what the paperwork says about it. It says that it is a tickled pink clay charm bracelet. Brilliantly colored, handmade clay and bronze-plated metal beads were artfully crafted to create this unique bracelet just for you. Each bracelet includes an antique bronze metal charm offering words of encouragement for you throughout the day. It's the perfect feel-good, fashionable accessory. And this says it has an $8 value and the colors vary. So that's, I suspect, all of the colors that you could have received. And I got this kind of greenish one that, like I said, matches my dark olive green really well. Look how pretty it looks on. It's so pretty. I like it. All right, next I have, let's get this out of here. Everything is so well protected in this box. It is a white birch linen spray made in the USA, and it is skin safe. And it says it is cypress, eucalyptus, and pine. That is what that looks like. This is a good sized bottle, 4 ounces. It says it is gluten-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and vegan. You can use it as a body spray or as a linen spray. That's really cool. This has a $16 value and it says natural and versatile. This organic-based linen spray is made with witch hazel water, tea tree oil, and white willow bark for a luxurious experience. Safe for skin, room, and linen, this white birch scent is the perfect representation of mountain air. With notes of cypress, pine, and a tad of eucalyptus, it creates a scent that is calming and perfect for any season. Well, let's spray it. Oh, it smells like Christmas. It does. It smells like Christmas to me. I'm gonna put this one away for Christmas. I'm sure that it's kind of the pine, which is the overwhelming smell in it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I love this, but I am so putting it away for Christmas. I'm going to spray me and everything I own with this all season long. If you guys love a winter scent that smells like pine tree like at Christmas time, you've got to try this. I promise you, it does not disappoint. All right, reaching in next, we have a sticky notes by C.R. Gibson. And that is what that looks like. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it's like, no, you guys know, if you watch the channel, you know I love paper goods. I write things down. I know that everybody that's cool and hip is using their computers and their iPads and their phones for everything. I still take notes. It's really cool feeling. When you take it out, it feels slightly rubberized on the outside. It feels really cool. And then on the inside, this is just a notepad. And then these are sticky notes. And the notepad says take note, and then the stickies say do it now, or important, or get it done, or extra important, drink wine. It doesn't say that. It will in a minute when I find a pen though. And then they're just like the 3M sticky notes. That is so cool. It's a $10 value, 50 sheets per pad. Get things done in style with the C.R. Gibson Sticky Note Folio with multiple areas to jot down thoughts and create to-do lists. You are sure to stay organized, whether at home or on the go. True story. And reaching in, last but not least, oh wow, this is really cool. This is awesome. This is a Swig hot cold cup, and it has the top that slides that you can either drink from or have your straw in. Let me show you. I'm gonna take it out. So you could just drink. You can just drink out of it, close it, open it, drink, or you can put your straw through it, and it has the bump on the bottom so that you don't accidentally lose it. I love when straws can't come free. And then this. This is the Swig Life wine glass. Now, I actually own a couple of these, but I seldom use them because I use them as much not for wine as I do for wine, and they're too small. This one is, can you guys see relative to the size of my hand? It's nice sized. It's 14 ounces. So you could get an entire can of soda, say, in here and a couple of ice cubes. And it says it keeps cold for 9 hours and hot up to 3 hours. Or a good sized mug of coffee. That is so pretty, and it's rose gold. It has the silicone bottom. All right, we've just taken our relaxing and rewinding to the next level, because now we can take some of our wine, put it in our cup, put our lid on it. So now we are safe in the bath because we're non-stick and we have a straw, because all the classy girls drink their wine out of straws. Don't let them tell you they don't. We have our hair pulled up in our headband, and we have our chocolate. And when it gets near Christmas, we are big time in the mood for Christmas. And if the reason you happen to be in that bath is because people are stressing you out, just take your notes. Make some notes of what has to be dealt with. Just saying. I have a whole evening going on here. Can you see I'm working my way through this? So that was everything that was in this box. And I think I've told you everything I intended to tell you except for one thing. And I get so nervous when I do new boxes that I'm going to forget something important. Their wines are Californian and South African wines. So I meant to tell you that earlier on. I'm gonna need you guys to let me know below what you think of the box. I love that it is a quarterly lifestyle box that comes with wine. You can choose white, sweet, or red. You can get a blend. You can have it come to you. You can send it to other people as gifts. You can send yours to somebody else as a gift just for like one of your quarters. I just love the feel of this box. I feel like it fits into my life perfectly. Let me give you the details one more time. It is $59.99 per quarter. You get 2 bottles of wine, plus if you sign up using my link and my code below, my code is just Kathrin, so it's easy, you will get what they're calling Wine for Life offer. And you will get, for the life of your subscription, a 3rd bottle of wine in each of your quarterly boxes. So you will have 3 bottles of wine in your quarterly boxes. And they are $21 to $26 per bottle of wine. So just in the wine, you've covered the cost of your box. Plus, you will get 5 to 6 lifestyle products, which I love. I mean, this is awesome. I didn't even read to you about this, did I? Let me tell you how awesome it is. I got so excited about it, I forgot to read about it. It has a $32 value, and that is true because I have several of these Swig type products and they are not inexpensive. More chill, less refills. This wine cup from Swig has an unbreakable construction that makes it perfect for enjoying chilled wine and cocktails by the pool, hot tea in the morning, or even ice cream sundaes before bed. It will keep drinks cold up to 9 hours and hot up to 3 hours with its triple insulation technology, and it has a slip-free, scratch-free, and noise-free silicone base. It is dishwasher safe, top rack only, noise proof. That's kind of cool, so you can just, you guys didn't even hear me set it down. I want to thank Vino for reaching out and offering to let me receive this box for review, but as with all boxes that I will ever review on this channel, whether they are gifted to me or not, you will get my full and honest review. And my full and honest review of this box is, I think it is awesome. And I think it is well worth the money. $59.99, $148 worth of value. If you have any interest, I will put the link and the code below so you can get an extra bottle of wine for the life of your subscription. And I want to thank you guys so much for coming by. Talk to me below about this box. This is kind of new for the channel, so I surely would like to know what you guys think. What do you think about wine? Do you have a favorite wine? What's your favorite lifestyle product that I got? I like this box a lot, and I would love to know what you guys think. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.